In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your first $250,000 on Google Ads. And I'm going to show you how to do this using affiliate marketing. And so you know, I've been running ads on Google for several years now. And I can tell you for free, Google Ads is one of the best places to make money online. So I'm going to show you how you can use this platform here to build a six-figures online business. And like I said earlier, we are going to be using affiliate marketing, and there are so many affiliate networks out there like Digistore24. There is maxbounty.com. You can also use the likes of clickbank.com or impact.com. However, in this video, we are going to be taking impact.com, and I'm going to be using this platform to demonstrate how you can make passive income online with Google Ads and affiliate marketing. And so you know, impact.com is one of the top affiliate networks out there where you can simply come over and find products from various industries that you can start promoting to people who need this product and start making money online. So once you come over to the impact.com website, all you need to do is to come over to this section that says brand, and you want to click on affiliate marketing. So once you click on affiliate marketing, as you can see here, like I said, you're going to find various products from various industries that you can start promoting on this platform and start earning money. Okay, so all you need to do from here is to click on the sign up now button. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where all you simply need to then do here is to enter your email address, and you will then be able to create an account on this platform. So once your account is created on impact.com, then the next thing you want to do is to also create an account on Google Ads. And all you need to do is to go over to ads.google.com to create an ad account. So once you come over to this page, all you need to do is to click on this start now, and you will be able to create an ads account with your Google account. So once your Google Ads account is created, it's going to bring you to this page. However, before we proceed to start creating our ads, the next thing we want to do is to go back to impact.com to look for a product to promote from this affiliate network. All right. So once you're signed into your account, all you need to do is to make sure to come over to brands, and you want to then click on find brands. If you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and all you can simply then do from here is to go through each of this program here that you can sign up to and start making money. You can see this one right here, which is Sentry PC. Is going to pay you $400 for getting people to sign up to their product. So there are varying commissions you can get depending on the affiliate program you decide to choose in this network. So what I recommend to do, and what I always do, is to come over to the payout model. So once you come over to the payout model, this is where you want to then select how you wish to get paid from this affiliate program. I know this is not making sense right now, but you want to come over to the payout model section and you want to select online lead. However, there are other options right here that you can select, like this one here that says call conversion, which means you want to get paid whenever you get people to make a call. But for this video, we want to get paid for generating leads. Okay, so now as you can see right here, there are various programs that are going to pay us depending on the one we choose, as you can see right here. Okay, so now for this video, we are going to select ManyChat as an example. So once you click on ManyChat, as you can see here, we are going to earn 100% commission whenever we generate a lead for this program. And as you can see here, the acceptance rate for this program is 96%, which means once you click on this apply button, you are almost guaranteed to get accepted to the program. So what I always do before I promote any program on this platform is to make sure to go through the description, as this is going to give you insight and information about this affiliate product and the type of people you should target promoting this product. As you can see here, ManyChat is a bot for Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, which people can use to grow their email list and convert their customers, as you can see right here. Okay, so you want to then click on apply. So once you click on apply, as you can see here, you are going to get 100% of subscription plan anybody purchase using this ManyChat program. And now if you don't know, all you need to do is to go over to the ManyChat website. So as you can see, this is the ManyChat website here. If you go over to manychat.com, so you want to then come over to this section that says pricing. And as you can see here, people can subscribe to the program for free, or they can get the pro plan, which is going to cost them $15 per month, or they can get this custom plan. So the next thing you want to then do is to get your affiliate link from ManyChat. And now to do that, you need to apply. Okay, as you can see here, tell ManyChat why you want to work on this campaign. So you can simply type in something very simple like this: I have tested ManyChat for my business and it's an amazing tool, and I wish to promote it to other businesses as well to keep the good work going. So you can type in something very simple like this, and all you need to do here is to click on apply. And as you can see here, they have a very high acceptance rate, which tells you that you are likely to get accepted. So once you get your affiliate link from ManyChat to promote their product, this takes us to the next step, where you want to then create a landing page, which we'll be using to drive traffic to the ManyChat affiliate link, and hopefully we get a sale. All right. So as you can see, there are many landing page builders out there you can use. There are free ones and there are paid ones. This one here is Breezy.io. You can absolutely use it for free for about 14 days if you click on the start your free trial button. However, there are other options you can use as well, like System.io, which is also free as well. Or you can come over to the likes of ClickFunnels as well. So this depends on the one you want to use. But for this video, we are going to be taking Breezy.io. So all you need to then do is to click on start your free trial. So once you do that, you'll be able to create an account on Breezy.io. And as you can see here, I just created this amazing landing page, which we'll be using to promote this ManyChat product on Google Ads. As you can see here, this has a very captivating title here: instantly convert your visitors into lead with ManyChat easy to use chatbot. And finally, this is where you want to also list more benefits people are going to get from using this product. As you can see here, starting from $15 per month, which we got from the ManyChat website itself. Okay, so if you come back to your landing page, you want to list out important benefits people are going to get, and you can get this information if you go over to the ManyChat website by going through what they are going to get for each of the package people subscribe to. And here is the button where you are going to add your ManyChat affiliate link, and when people click on this link, it's going to take them to the website, and if they subscribe to this pro plan, you're going to get 100% of the commission, which is $15. And now for those who might be wondering how I created that landing page on Breezy.io, once you create your account, like I said earlier, all you need to do is to click on create new project. Then you want to click on website and landing page. Then you want to click on from scratch. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. Then all you need to do is to click on the plus button. And once you do that, you're going to see various templates. You can simply plug and play and start creating your landing page right away. And so you know, this was the exact template I used to build this landing page, in case you want to go ahead and create something similar. Okay, so once you select that template, as you can see, you can customize and edit these elements however you like it. Like I said, you want to make sure to grab your affiliate link from impact.com, and you want to make sure to add it to this create account now. So once you're done creating your landing page, you want to make sure to give your landing page a name. And now you have two options. You can either use a custom domain, which is then going to allow you to use a more professional name for your landing page, or you can use a free subdomain provided to you by Breezy.io. And if you are serious about getting as many conversions as possible, I highly recommend to go over to Namecheap.com or any domain registrar to purchase a custom domain. And like I said, this is going to make you get more conversions because your landing page is going to look more professional that way, instead of using a generic link. All right. So if you don't want to use a custom domain, you can then click on the subdomain section and you can give it any name of your choice related to the offer you are promoting. So for me, I'm going to select chatbot offer and I'm going to then click on submit. Okay, so once you do that, all you then need to do is to click on this button, and it's going to bring you straight to the landing page we just created. And as you can see, this is the link right here, which you can then use to promote this offer. So now that we've signed up to an affiliate network, we've chosen an offer, we've created a landing page and a domain for the offer. The next step is to start creating our campaign on Google Ads. All you then need to do is to then select your objective. Since we are promoting a lead generation offer, all we need to then do is to select leads. So once you do that, you want to then click on continue, and now you can select the type of campaign you want. So basically, these are various types of campaigns you can select here. But for this video, we are going to go for search ads. And here you want to then select the ways you like to reach your goal. Do you want it via website, phone call, store, or lead form submission? Since we already have a landing page, we want to select website visits. And then you want to come back to your landing page and copy your link. Like I said, I highly recommend to use a custom domain for this. So once you copy it, all you need to do is to place it in this box, and you want to then click on continue. So once you do that, it's going to ask you to give your campaign a name. So we are going to type in ManyChat here just to keep things organized. Then you want to click on continue. So once you do that, it's going to then bring you to this page, and this is where you want to select your bidding strategy. And there are so many options for this. So for this section, I highly recommend to select conversions. So once you select conversion, you can also come over here and type in your target CPA. And this is where you want to select how much you're willing to pay for every conversion you get from this campaign. You can set whatever amount you want. This is up to you. I always recommend to leave this blank when you are starting out your campaign, because you don't have any data about this campaign yet. Okay, so the next thing you then want to do from here is to click on next, and this is then going to bring you to this page, and you want to leave everything as default like this. The next thing you want to then do is to select the countries you wish to target in this campaign, and this is up to you. You can target any country of your choice, because this offer does not give limitations to whatever country we can target. So you can target as many countries as you want, but I'm going to select only United States for this campaign. So depending on the country you chose, you want to come over to the language section, and you want to type in languages being spoken in that country. Okay, so I'm going to leave this as English since I'm targeting United States. So the next thing is coming over to the audience segment section, and this is where you want to select the people you want to target in Google Ads. So I highly recommend to come over to the browse section, and you want to go over to in market, because these are people who are actively researching or planning to make a purchase about something online. And these are the type of people we want to reach on Google Ads, because keep in mind, we need people to subscribe for us to get our commission. So you want to make sure to click on in market. So the next thing you want to then do is to look for suitable people we can target in this category. Okay, so you want to scroll down here and look for categories related to our offer, and that is software, as you can see right here. So you can definitely click on this software, but that will be too broad and you are going to be wasting a lot of money. So you want to go a little bit targeted and scroll down here, and you can select something like business and productivity software, which is very targeted to ManyChat, because we are targeting businesses who want to become more productive without having to do all the hard work themselves and take advantage of ManyChat capabilities to generate revenue for their business. So once you're done, all you simply need to do is to scroll down, and you want to click on this more settings option. And this is where you then want to then select a start and end date for your campaign. So this is up to you. You can select the campaign to start at whatever date you want, and you can select the campaign to end at whatever date you want. Or you can come over here and select none and let your campaign keep running as long as possible until you turn it off. So once you're done, all you then need to do is to click on next. So once you do that, it's then going to bring you to this page where you'll be able to create your first ad group. And because we've entered our website URL before, Google Ads is going to automatically go to our website and pull out relevant keywords that we will be using in this campaign. All right, so for this section here that says display URL path, you can come over here and type in something like get started. Okay, as you can see, you're going to see a preview of what your ads is going to look like on both mobile and also desktop. You want to come over to the headline section and you want to type in simple headlines like this: get more sales with ManyChat. You want to then type in capture more leads, get started now. And then the final thing you want to then do is to come over here and you want to also add in descriptions like this: grow your business 24/7 with ManyChat chatbot solution. Okay, so once you do that, as you can see, you are going to see this in your preview right here. And also you can see we have 80 score out of 100, which means Google Ads perceive our ads to be very good and is going to perform well once we start running this ad. The next thing you want to then do is to scroll to the very bottom and you want to click on next. So once you do that, Google is going to recommend how much you should spend every day for your ads promotion, and as you can see how much you are going to potentially spend to get a conversion, and you can see how much you are going to spend every week right here. Okay, so this is really up to you. You can come over here and change this budget. You don't really have to use this. You can type in whatever you are comfortable spending here. You can type in maybe $20 a day, and as you can see here, you can potentially get 43 conversions every week by spending $3.22. Once you're done, all you just need to do is to click on next. To do that, you want to make sure to go through this preview. So once everything looks good, as you can see here, all you then need to do is to click on publish campaign and your ads will be sent out for review. Once it gets approved, your ads is going to start serving right away, and you're going to start driving traffic to your landing page and start getting traffic and start generating conversions. So this is how you can definitely come over to any affiliate network of your choice, find a lead generation product. As you can see, there are so many of them available on impact.com you can choose from, and start driving traffic to them through Google Ads. And this way, you're quickly going to start making passive income with Google Ads and affiliate marketing. So if you like this video, then I highly recommend to check out this Google Ads tutorial on your screen right here for more ways you can make money with Google Ads.